Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to withdraw money from the Fiverrs. Withdrawing money from Fiverrs follows a clear and constructed process once you meet the required conditions. Before requesting a payout, traders must successfully complete the evaluation phase and become fully funded. After this, payouts can be requested every 14 days directly through the trader's dashboard by clicking the Request Payout button. Keep in mind that the minimum payout amount is $150, and requests below this minimum amount will not be processed. When submitting your request, choose your preferred withdrawal method from the available options shown in your dashboard. Payouts are typically processed with 7 business days, after which the payout cycle resets. If your account is scaled, the 14-day payout cycle restarts from the date of scaling, meaning you can request your next withdrawal 14 days after the adjustment. Overall, the entire payout process is handled conveniently within the trader's dashboard, making withdrawals simple and easy to track. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.